Have you ever pulled freshly washed clothes from the machine, only to find them smelling stale, damp, or just off? In Japan, that almost never happens, because laundry is not just a chore. It's a ritual, a carefully practiced art that transforms even the most ordinary shirt into something that smells like it just came out of a luxury hotel. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into Japanese laundry culture. Forget the towering piles of clothes, the frantic last-minute washes before work. In Japan, laundry is thoughtful, intentional, and precise. Japanese people face incredible challenges for laundry: tiny apartments, minimal ventilation, high humidity in summer, and sometimes no outdoor space to dry clothes. Yet, their homes remain remarkably fresh, and their clothes soft and odor-free. How? Through a combination of science, ritual, and micro-habits perfected over decades. One of the most important habits is washing immediately, without waiting. In many countries, laundry sits in a basket for days, and sweat, bacteria, and trapped moisture quietly multiply. By the time it enters the machine, the odor is already ingrained. In Japan, clothes are washed the same day they're worn. As soon as you return home, remove your clothes, sort them carefully, and place them directly into the washing machine. Small, frequent washes reduce bacterial growth, prevent stains from setting, and ensure clothes rinse thoroughly. Imagine a Tokyo office worker returning from a hot, humid commute. They remove their shirt and toss it directly into the machine. By the next morning, it's fresh, soft, and completely odor-free. Frequent, small washes also save clothes from the wear and tear caused by long, harsh cycles. Pre-treating problem areas is another key habit. Japanese households rarely just throw clothes in a machine. Collars, underarms, socks, and towels are pre-treated daily. Identify sweat-prone or heavily soiled areas. Apply a small amount of liquid detergent or stain remover, and gently scrub with a soft brush or your fingers. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before washing. This breaks down bacteria and oils before the main wash and prevents odor from forming deep in the fabric. Imagine a mother in Tokyo scrubbing her child's gym shirt collar before tossing it into the washer. 20 seconds of effort prevents a week of lingering odor and keeps the shirt looking new. This works especially well on natural fabrics like cotton or linen, which absorb odors faster than synthetic fibers. Japanese households also sort laundry not just by color, but by odor type. They create separate piles for sweat-heavy clothes, normal daily wear, kitchen cloths, towels, and pet-related fabrics. Each category is washed separately using the optimal detergent and temperature. This prevents bacteria from spreading, stops odor transfer, and ensures every garment comes out smelling clean. In a Japanese household, a mother separates her family's laundry each day. Gym shorts go with other activewear, dish towels with kitchen linens, and even her husband's work shirts never touch the smell of the kitchen. Everything comes out neutral, clean, and fresh. Using the right detergent for the season is another secret. Japanese detergents are specialized. During the rainy season, antibacterial detergents combat humidity-induced odors. In summer, enzyme-based detergents dissolve sweat proteins efficiently. In winter, gentler detergents preserve fabric softness in dry air. Measuring the detergent carefully according to load size and fabric type keeps clothes fresh and extends their lifespan. During Tokyo's rainy season, towels washed with an antibacterial detergent emerge crisp and fresh. In winter, gentle detergent prevents cotton shirts from feeling brittle. Indoor drying is also common, especially in small apartments. Outdoor drying might sound ideal, but dust, pollen, and humidity can trap odor in clothes. Japanese homes use airflow triangles. Clothes are spaced apart on racks. Fans circulate air through them, and dehumidifiers remove moisture efficiently. This prevents bacteria growth and ensures clothes dry evenly and softly. Imagine a small Tokyo apartment at night, with clothes gently swaying as a fan circulates air. By morning, shirts, towels, and socks are fully dry, soft, and odor-free. Slightly warming the air indoors can accelerate drying without damaging fabrics. Folding clothes immediately after drying is another habit. Clothes aren't left in baskets. Folding promptly reduces dust exposure, preserves fabric softness, and prevents wrinkles. Remove clothes from the drying rack while slightly warm and fold them neatly. then store them in ventilated drawers or closets. Imagine a Japanese teenager folding freshly dried laundry while enjoying morning tea. Cotton shirts feel smooth, towels smell like fresh linen, and the whole apartment carries a subtle, clean scent. Japanese households also use natural odor neutralizers like white vinegar and baking soda. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar during the rinse cycle neutralizes odors and kills bacteria, while a small amount of baking soda tackles stubborn smells. These ingredients are eco-friendly, safe for most fabrics, and enhance freshness without harsh chemicals. For example, towels after a rainy day often retain moisture odor. A quick rinse with vinegar restores a crisp, clean scent, almost as if they were line-dried in a spring breeze. Microfiber cloths play a surprisingly important role in Japanese laundry routines. Families use these soft, fine fiber towels to maintain both laundry and washing machine cleanliness. After every load, a clean microfiber cloth wipes the drum, edges, and detergent tray, preventing mold and bacteria buildup that could transfer odors to clothes. Microfiber towels also help dry delicate fabrics gently and reduce static. Imagine a mother in Osaka wiping her washing machine drum every week. Her family notices that even sweat-heavy gym clothes come out perfectly clean, no machine smell ever. Athletic and activewear is treated with special care. Sweaty sports clothes are almost like a separate laundry stream. They are pre-soaked in cold water with a few drops of enzyme-based detergent for 10 to 15 minutes, then washed in a gentle cycle and hung indoors to dry. This prevents sweat proteins from bonding to synthetic fibers, which can cause long-lasting odors. Heat from dryers is avoided because it locks odors into the fabric. Picture a young athlete in Tokyo, pre-soaking her running shorts and t-shirt after practice. By the next morning, they are odor-free and ready for the next workout. For synthetic fibers, less detergent is better. Too much can leave residue that traps odors. Keeping the washing machine clean is another Japanese secret to fresh laundry. A clean machine ensures clothes stay odor-free. Families run a cleaning cycle once a month using vinegar, baking soda, or a specialized machine cleaner. After each wash, the drum door is left slightly open to air dry, and detergent trays, rubber seals, and filters are wiped regularly. This routine prevents bacteria and mold from forming in damp, enclosed areas. In Fukuoka, a family noticed musty odors in towels. A quick cleaning cycle and weekly wipe down immediately restored freshness, leaving laundry soft and neutral scented. Delicate fabrics, such as silk, lace, or lingerie, are washed inside mesh laundry nets to prevent tangling and friction. These nets preserve fiber integrity, prevent odor buildup, and ensure long-lasting freshness. A woman carefully places her silk blouse into a laundry net. After washing and indoor drying, it emerges soft, smooth, and completely odor-free, ready to wear. Sunlight is used strategically to enhance freshness. Japanese households often employ indirect sunlight or soft morning sun rather than harsh, direct rays. Hanging clothes in the morning or in well-lit areas kills bacteria, removes residual odors, and preserves fabric colors. A small balcony in Tokyo sees clothes basking in gentle morning sunlight, and by noon, towels, shirts, and bedding are partially dried, fresh, and lightly sun-kissed. Layering laundry inside the washing machine is a subtle but essential technique. Heavier fabrics are placed at the bottom, while delicates rest on top, leaving gaps to allow water and detergent to circulate freely. This ensures all garments are cleaned thoroughly, prevents tangling, and reduces bacteria hotspots. Imagine a family layering jeans at the bottom and t-shirts on top. Even in humid conditions, every garment comes out fully rinsed, odor-free, and ready to fold. Fabric softeners in Japan are used with precision. They serve multiple purposes: scent, antibacterial protection, fiber preservation, and reducing static. Only small, measured amounts are added to the rinse cycle, never the main wash, to avoid trapping moisture or encouraging bacterial growth. A mother in Sapporo adds just the right amount of softener to her daughter's school uniforms. By the next day, shirts feel soft, smell lightly fresh, and remain comfortable throughout the day. Finally, daily habits beyond the washer keep Japanese homes and laundry fresh. Rooms are aired daily, towels and bedding are washed frequently, closets are ventilated to prevent damp odor, and stains are treated immediately. Laundry isn't just a machine process. It's part of a broader habit of cleanliness. In a Kyoto apartment, a family airs their rooms every morning, folds towels promptly, and cleans small spills as they happen. By the end of the week, every item smells fresh, without any panic laundry day stress. And there you have it, 15 Japanese laundry secrets that keep clothes soft, fresh, and odor-free, even in tiny apartments, humid climates, or rainy seasons. Start small. Implement 1 or 2 habits today, like washing immediately or folding clothes right after drying. Gradually, adopt the full routine, and you'll be amazed at how fresh your laundry feels and how much easier it is to maintain a clean home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese-inspired home tips. Which tip surprised you the most? Comment below. I'd love to hear which habit you're going to try first. Stay fresh, stay organized, and see you in the next video.